Hey, what's up guys? It's Quinn from Golden Era Cards, and today I'm going to show you guys how you ship your items, in this case sports cards, after a Whatnot stream. So when it comes to cards, there are two different methods of shipping. There are PWE envelopes, which are standard white envelopes, and there's also packages, which in our case we use these poly mailers. You can also use bubble mailers or even boxes if the package is rather large. But today, first, we're going to be showing you how to ship a PWE envelope. So we'll have the customer's address blurred out here, but I'll show you guys the gist of it. So after you finish your stream, you will come over here, click what sale you did. So in this case, this one was from 12/6. And after your stream, it will be at the top. We're like halfway done with this one, so we'll scroll down here. So the way we do it is we label our items in order. So for example, this person bought number 342. Simple enough. You go in your box, you find what number 342 was. This brought pretty green. You always want to make sure when you ship PWE that you tape the top of your card. We have the card here. I use masking tape. If you need to, you can use Scotch tape or you can use clear tape. It is way harder to get off. The top loader is not as usable as well. These are like $1.50 at Walmart, not too bad. You take your envelope. Now, some people will provide a little padding, a small piece of cardboard. You can put it in a bag. I just ship it just like this. We've done thousands of these over the past few months. Very few complaints. Things do happen. It's the post office. Sometimes they lose a package or something breaks open. But overall, we've had good success with this. This is very crucial as well. With these envelopes, when your card shakes, the card can fall out of the side there. So I take a piece of tape, simply tape down the sides of it. These rolls are like 15 bucks. The tape is like $4 or $5 a roll. That way, when it bounces around and there is some reinforcement, you tape to the top of your card so the card is safe relatively within the top loader. Now, we highly recommend, we are not affiliated with this brand or anyway, but this is a Rollo printer. These are thermal labels. They are a little costly up front. This whole operation will run you maybe $200 when you first start, but it is well worth it because it prints all your labels out exactly like this. Again, the addresses themselves, of course, will be blurred, but let's do this. So maybe another video will show you how to print your Whatnot labels. It's extremely easy. You can either print them right after your stream or even as you go, you can print whatever one you're on. But after this, take your label, peel off the back, slap it on just like that, tape down the bottom, and there you go. It's ready to go. Now, something you may be wondering is, what if you have more than one card? If you have two cards, this is what we do. We take a team bag, we put both cards in it, tape the top, pretty simple. If you have 3 to 5 cards, we do remove anywhere from 1 to 3 cards out of the top loader. Because when you ship PWE, they will return them if they're too thick or too rigid, which means when you move it like that, you can't really bend it. What we do is we will print out a little message saying that, a few of your cards may not have a top loader. If that's an issue, we'll ship some with your next order. But after that, same as everything else. Something I highly recommend is when you do put them in the envelope, you press it down like that to get all the air out of it. It makes it flatter, it looks a lot nicer for the post office. But yeah, that's how you do a PWE envelope. Now we'll also show you how to do a first class shipment here. So we'll find one that we are currently working on. Okay, we are here now, so we're gonna do a first class package. So this person has, 6 items. You go over to your box, we'll find the corresponding numbers. This number, I know some people on Whatnot will also use bags with names. That could work. Numbers, in my opinion, are easier if you're running tons of singles quickly. So let's find them here. And then you got 2 giveaways as well. And there you go. Let me just get a piece of cardboard. So that's how we'll do it. Take the cards like so. If you have a thick card, I recommend taping the top because they can fly out. These ones are perfectly safe in there. These are regular size cards. Take a piece of cardboard. You can find one that is like just a discarded piece, from Walmart or whatever that you buy. And then you can just wrap it around your cards. Keeps them safe. If you want, you can also do a double wrap. I found that one wrap works perfectly fine. Very few reported damages or anything like that. So I put a piece of tape like that. And of course, if you're selling super high-end slabs, singles, whatever, you may want to use bubble wrap. You may want to put everything in a box. You know, for a $25 order, this is more than sufficient. Just like that. These are really nice. They sell them on Amazon. Really cheap. And then the label is attached to other ones, so I won't get it. But you unpeel it, you put it right there, and you're good to go. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Click down below if you want to start selling or buying on Whatnot. Use that link. It will take you directly to the app. We appreciate everyone for watching and hope you all have a great day. Thank you.